Got them all out. Plenty of space. Awesome, yes sir. Yeah. Good. More. All right, lifts are done. Installed 2 units here. My boy Drew has more space here for his giveaways. He's gonna stack them deep in here. So 2 4-post standards. These units run off 110, 15 amp. Have a bunch of space to play with. I'm gonna post up my boy on the IG. Make sure to follow him and hit him up for the giveaways. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys.